Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to bring both style and substance to your kitchen, the GreenLife 16-piece Nonstick Cookware Set. This isn't just another collection of pots and pans, but a carefully curated ensemble designed for the modern home chef. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This impressive 16-piece set covers a remarkable range of cooking needs. You get a handy 4-inch mini frying pan, perfect for single servings or quick tasks. Then there are the 7-inch and 9.5-inch frying pans, providing ample space for everything from eggs to stir-fries. For sauces and smaller batch cooking, you have a 1-quart and a 2-quart saucepan, both complete with their own lids. The generously sized 5-quart stock pot is ready for soups, stews, or boiling pasta, and it also comes with a lid. Rounding out the main cookware pieces is a 2.5-quart sauté pan, also with a lid, ideal for searing and then simmering. But that's not all. This set also includes a 7-inch stainless steel steamer, adding another layer of versatility, and a set of 4 essential kitchen utensils to get you started right away. It's truly a comprehensive collection that aims to equip you for virtually any meal. One of the standout features here is the non-stick coating. GreenLife emphasizes its toxin-free ceramic non-stick, which is a significant selling point for health-conscious consumers. This coating is free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This means you can cook with confidence, knowing that potentially harmful chemicals are not leaching into your food. The easy-release surface is designed to make cooking and cleaning a breeze, allowing food to glide off the pan effortlessly. Comfort during cooking is also a priority with this set, thanks to the soft grip Bakelite handles. These handles are engineered to stay cool on the stovetop, reducing the risk of burns and providing a secure, comfortable grip, even when the pans are hot. This attention to detail enhances the overall user experience, making cooking feel more controlled and less stressful. Underneath the attractive exterior, the cookware boasts reinforced bases. This is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it contributes to a wobble-free construction, meaning the pans sit firmly on your stovetop, providing stability. Secondly, and perhaps more importantly, these reinforced bases are designed for even heating. This means heat is distributed consistently across the cooking surface, reducing hot spots and ensuring your food cooks uniformly. No more frustration with unevenly browned or undercooked sections. Cleaning up after a meal can often be the least enjoyable part of cooking, but GreenLife aims to simplify this. The rivetless interiors are a clever design choice. By eliminating rivets, they've created a smooth, uninterrupted surface that's much easier to wipe clean. There are no nooks or crannies for food to get trapped in, which not only makes cleaning faster but also more hygienic. While the set is dishwasher safe, the company suggests that hand washing is a gentler approach that can help preserve the non-stick finish and extend the life of your cookware. Monitoring your food as it cooks is made easy with the durable glass lids. These tempered glass lids allow you to peek at your culinary creations without having to lift the lid and let precious heat escape. This is especially useful when you're trying to maintain a consistent temperature for simmering or braising. The lids are also designed to fit snugly, further helping to trap heat and moisture. This cookware is suitable for a wide range of stovetops, working with gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops. However, it's important to note that it is not compatible with induction cooktops, which is a limitation for those who rely on this modern heating technology. For added versatility, the cookware is oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, opening up possibilities for finishing dishes under the broiler or keeping them warm after cooking. A commendable aspect of this GreenLife set is its commitment to sustainability. The cookware vessels, excluding the handles, are constructed from a minimum of 65% recycled materials. Furthermore, their thermal and non-stick coating is manufactured using a process that creates significantly less CO2 emissions compared to traditional coatings, starting with sand. This eco-conscious approach is a positive step towards more environmentally friendly kitchenware. Now, let's consider the pros and cons. On the positive side, the comprehensive 16-piece set offers incredible value, covering almost every cooking task imaginable. The toxin-free ceramic non-stick is a major health and safety benefit, and the easy-release surface makes cooking and cleaning less of a chore. The stay-cool handles and reinforced bases contribute to a comfortable and consistent cooking experience. The rivetless interiors are a smart design choice for hygiene and ease of cleaning. The inclusion of a steamer and utensils further enhances the set's utility. The eco-friendly materials and manufacturing process are also significant advantages for environmentally conscious buyers. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The most notable limitation is the incompatibility with induction cooktops. If induction is your primary stovetop, this set won't be a suitable option. While the cookware is oven-safe, the temperature limit of 350 degrees Fahrenheit might be restrictive for some recipes that require higher oven temperatures. Also, while the set is dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended for longevity, which some users might find inconvenient. Lastly, the durability of ceramic non-stick coatings can sometimes be a concern over extended periods of heavy use compared to some other materials. In conclusion, the GreenLife 16-piece non-stick cookware set is a compelling choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a versatile, healthy, and aesthetically pleasing collection. It excels in providing a toxin-free cooking experience with excellent non-stick performance, comfortable handling, and thoughtful design elements for ease of use and cleaning. The eco-friendly manufacturing process is a significant bonus. While the lack of induction compatibility and the oven temperature limit are points to keep in mind, for many home cooks, the benefits of this comprehensive set will likely outweigh these considerations. It's a well-rounded offering that balances performance, safety, and sustainability. Link in the description.